At some point, it's likely that you've heard the deep return is an important part of playing good pickleball. But is it just the depth of the return that's important? Not if you want to control the point. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Playing pickleball after 50 is just a little bit different, and that's what we focus on here. So if you'd like to stay in the know with all things pickleball, from gear to fitness to the latest in instruction, make sure that you click on the subscribe and then the bell notification so you know when I post a new video. Do you know why you hear people sing the praises of the deep return? Well, it's true that the deep return can make the third shot more difficult for the serving team. It actually has a greater impact on the returning team and their ability to control the point. Pickleball is one of the few sports where the serving team is at a disadvantage, since the double bounce rule forces both players to stay near the baseline. That allows the returning team to establish their position at the non-volley zone and shorten the distance between the two teams, taking away the serving team's reaction time. However, to capitalize on that advantage, the returning team needs to get all the way to the non-volley zone. A deep return makes it easier, but in reality, that's only one part of the equation. The speed and trajectory of that return are more important. If you hit the ball not just deep, but higher and softer, it takes more time for it to get to the serving team, which in turn buys the returner more time to get to the net. A return that's hit deep but hard doesn't buy you any extra time, and you may find that you are short of the non-volley zone. If you're not very fast or have a difficult time getting to the non-volley zone, hitting a soft, deep return is an effective strategy that's going to give you more time to get into a better position at the net. It's when both players of the returning team are at the non-volley zone that they control the point. Check out this link for more winning double strategies. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up or share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.